In December 2024, India witnessed several significant legal developments across various sectors. Here are some of the key events. 1. Supreme Court upholds Places of Worship Act, 1991. The Supreme Court reaffirmed the constitutional validity of the Places of Worship Special Provisions Act, 1991, which prohibits the conversion of religious places as they existed on August 15, 1947. This decision aims to maintain communal harmony by preserving the status quo of religious structures. Second, introduction of One Nation, One Election Bill. On December 17, 2024, the Indian government introduced the One Nation, One Election Bill in the Lok Sabha. The bill proposes synchronizing elections for the Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies to reduce electoral expenses and administrative burdens. The proposal has sparked extensive debates regarding its feasibility and potential impact on the federal structure. Third, antitrust investigations and corporate scrutiny, PNO. Ricard investigation. The Competition Commission of India, CCI, conducted raids on Pernod Ricard's offices in Telangana, suspecting collusion with retailers to promote its whiskey brand and suppress competition. If found guilty, Pernod Ricard could face substantial fines. Samsung's allegations against CCI. Samsung accused the CCI of unlawfully detaining its employees and seizing data during a raid linked to an antitrust investigation involving Amazon and Flipkart. Samsung has sought legal recourse, challenging the CCI's actions in the High Court. Fourth Supreme Court directs implementation of cashless treatment scheme. The Supreme Court directed the central government to frame a scheme for cashless treatment of road accident victims during the golden hour by March 14, 2025. This initiative aims to provide immediate medical assistance to reduce fatalities and severe injuries from road accidents. These developments underscore the dynamic nature of India's legal landscape, with implications for governance, corporate conduct, and individual rights.